Harith Hamadani, a devoted companion of Imam Ali, was not only a courageous warrior but also a scholar of profound knowledge. He studied closely under Imam Ali, learning ethics, governance, and Islamic teachings, preserving wisdom for future generations. From Siffin to Nahrawan, Harith's bravery on the battlefield was unmatched, defending the Imam while upholding the principles of justice and truth. His intellectual contributions were equally remarkable. He transmitted Imam Ali's sayings, taught students, and safeguarded knowledge for the Ahlul Bayt. Significantly, Harith Hamadani is frequently cited in the books of Ilm-e Rijal, the science of narrators, reflecting his trustworthiness, scholarship, and importance in Islamic history. Harith Hamadani's life reminds us that courage, loyalty, and knowledge are inseparable, inspiring generations to seek truth, justice, and wisdom.